Running a successful dropshipping store is a lot easier when you're using the right tools. What's going on guys, it's Shivam here, and in this video we are going to review the DropshipMe plugin by AliExpress and see how it can help us in growing our dropshipping business. So you all would agree that one of the most important part in running the successful dropshipping store is researching and selling the right product in your niche. Generally speaking, we spend hours and hours looking for the right product, and even after hours of research, we find a product that is dead or no one is buying it at all. This even sometimes get to hit and trial method. However, this is where DropshipMe plugin comes into action. This is the AliExpress new plugin in their arsenal, and what the DropshipMe does is they give us the already best-selling products on AliExpress to sell it on our dropshipping store. And this way we won't have to spend hours and hours researching for the right product. We can just take the best selling products and straight sell it on our store. This also reduces so much of error in our guesswork, and also this is great if you're selling a product in a niche that you don't know much about it. You can easily search for a product and import it instantly to your dropshipping store. Now also let's give us a second for the features about this DropshipMe plugin. So the plugin is just super easy to use. All you need to do is just search for the product and it will give you the list of the best selling products, and just click on import and it's done. It's that easy. They have selected over 50,000 plus products which are already performing well and bringing sales to them. Also they are adding products on a daily basis. Also all the suppliers are selected by AliExpress, and you are dealing with good suppliers, so you won't have to deal with shipment delays and all that stuff. With this plugin we also have to spend less time in editing title, description and images, because all of these images, titles and description is already optimized and without any watermarks, so we have to spend little to no time in editing these products. Along with products you can also import reviews of these products and you can approve them individually. Now if you're new to dropshipping business and you don't know much about pricing, then this plugin also tells you the best pricing on which the item should be sold, so you have to do less guesswork and generate more sales. Now some of you guys might also have a question that what is the difference between alidropship plugin and the DropshipMe plugin. So the way it works, they both are different plugins and they work in conjunction. DropshipMe plugin focuses on inventory, while the alidropship plugin gives you the necessary feature that is required for easy management of your dropshipping store, and that's why they are best when they work in conjunction. Now you can also import all the products with alidropship plugin, but it takes a lot of research and guesswork, trial and error method, and also it requires a lot of experience to get the best product to sell on your store. But with DropshipMe you get all the best selling products, around 50,000 plus products to sell on your store, and you don't have to do any guesswork and generate more sales from the very first day. And you can spend all of your precious time in marketing and advertising your store. So now how do you actually use the DropshipMe plugin? So to use it you would install it like any other WordPress plugin and you're ready to go. You can search for the best selling products in the search bar, import with one click, import reviews, change pricing and much more. So the last thing I want to talk about in this video is the pricing of this plugin. And you would be really happy to know that this plugin is free. But if you want to run a bigger dropshipping store, you need to upgrade to their premium plans, which start from $29, and this will allow you to import a max of 1,500 products. Also, just like any other AliExpress plugin, this is just one-time fees, which is great. Now if you want to check out the DropshipMe plugin, you can check out the links down below in the description. And also if you want to buy the alidropship plugin or the alidropship custom store, you can check out the links down below in the description, as there is a free discount coupon and you can save up to $134, and we do get a little commission from them as a kickback, which helps us grow our channel and it costs nothing to you. Anyways, that's for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you did, just click the like button below, share this video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.